So the return of the 200 kilo bench journey. Gonna be documenting this one quite well. Oh, buffer. Oh. What's that?
Just do my track.
Yeah. So bench day today. Oh, back for more. It's going to be the start of the 200 kilo attempt. So I have no idea where it's going to get up to today. Hopefully we can do 180 attempt. But yeah, we shall see. So warmed up just with pec deck, and then 60, 80, 100, and now 120. So here for the good bits. Whoa! Yep.
Oh, you. Come on. Easy.
Yep. Oh, yep. Yeah.
There you are.
What's that? Yeah, I know. I told you warm up, mate.
For sure.
Yeah. Where is the trick? So 4 plates, 180 now. See how it goes. It's feeling so far so good. Hopefully we'll do this. We'll do it for a single, and then we'll attempt 190. Hope for the fucking best. Well,
Yep.
yep,
Easy.
yep. Whee.
There you go. Mate, with no leg support.
What's that?
Nuts, eh?
Yeah,
Support, you just...
yeah, no leg drive. I've heard that, yeah. It's like one of the biggest comments behind no range of motion.
Yeah. Awesome.
Bulk, yeah. Yeah.
Moving up the head.
You see the complimation.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Oh.
It's a bit of weight.
Oh.
Little forklift.
Is that?
Little forklift.
Yeah. Oh.
Better than that than
Oh no, they at least need to be matching. Oh.
Got it.
Oh. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Yep.
Come on, come on. Up, 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 up.
Yep.
Pretty happy I did that with one hand, to be honest.
Yeah. Oh man, that nose hurts now. Yeah.
You can't do that today, your blood vessels.
Oh yeah.
Dilate everything up. That was a good try.
Yeah, no, I'm happy just to get under it actually.
Yeah, no, you're holding it too. It's not like it was falling.
Yeah. Oh.
Any spot on this? Very good, eh? I'll jump up for the last reps.
Whoa.
Up, come on, one more. Oh, 9 I think.
Oh man, I can talk some shit. Some 2 reps are fucking found at 10. Yeah.
Good, dude. Remember, you stay back.
Yeah. Better not. So, really stoked with bench. Out of bench win. Hit 190. Failed 200, but real stoked with that because it is day 1 of attempting 200. So really happy with where it's at because we're gonna start looking at actually implementing some powerlifting techniques to push that strength up and hit that fucking 200 finally because it's well overdue. So wrist is feeling good too. I had no concern of the wrist while in the movement, so those new SPD wrist wraps are doing the job perfectly. So now hammer strength incline, one of the favourite ones, also one that I took out during the wrist rehab just with the handles and the positioning of them because they didn't sit nicely. So trying again. Feels so fucking tight. I think it is the wrist. Go one lower. Do 5 plates. So, 5 plates. Not too sure how this is gonna go because it was a bit awkward on the wrist. And where it felt nice on the wrist was a bit narrow grip. So, 5 plates, see how it goes. It'll be nice to hit 6, but we shall see. I did attempt 200 kilos just before, so. In February of last year, it's not confidential. She's so safe for me. Alright, so, let's do it. Up, easy. Up. Fucking strong. So, did a reel last week with the gym pins on this machine, but with the back lat pull down insertion. Lightweight, baby. So it's definitely been a minute since hitting this weight on this machine. But yeah, the last set felt pretty good on the wrist. I just need to make sure the positioning, hand positioning is good and there's no wrist issues. So it's mainly to do with these wraps, the new SPD ones. I'm pretty much sucking their dick in every time I'm using them. But they are working and they're the reason that I can press what I can press at the moment. Because without them, it does aggravate the wrist. But with them, it's very to little aggravation. But yeah, 6 plates aside, which I'm happy with. Did 10 last week, but that was for a bullshit video on like a short form video that I did with Coe for social media, which was just a piss take because he was on the back on the lat pull down side assisting, and I was on the front pressing. So we tried to make it look like he was, like I was doing it all, but we made it clear that he was in the video too. Can still do 6 plates aside, so still strong as fuck. And the new sniffing salts have been cracked open. Juju Mufu's sniffing salts, which I love. Addicted to pain. Progress. Oh! 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 I can't fucking breathe. Oh. Oh. Holy shit. Oh. Okay. Oh. Literally could not breathe after whiffing that shit. It fucked me up good. Oh, still struggling. Oh, I've never had a whiff of sniffing salts that bad. Literally cry. Oh. Oh. Shit the bed. Oh. 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 Okay. Oh. Okay, so yeah, anyone that's not had a ridiculous strength level peaks, I do not recommend those salts. That's gotta be fucked up. Real good. That did not help with the lift at all. So it's been a good 5 minutes now, and I'm still trying to recover from that whiff of sniffing salts. It wasn't even meant to be a strong whiff because it's not like it's not a bench movement. It's my second movement, so I sometimes have a small whiff of salts to get it going. But I fucking did something. But I'm fucking dead, man, walking now. Shit, the bed. Oh, it's definitely clearing the nose now. That 6 plates felt alright. It was 5 reps kind of thing, which I thought I was only going to get 3, so we're going to try 6.5 plates and see what damage we can do, but no salts this time because my nose is fucked and make sure that's fucking sealed. Can't smell anything there. Too heavy. So that was clearly too heavy. So definitely need to work on that lockout strength. But to be fair, thinking of that, I was pretty nuts trying to do that after all the shit we've already gone through. That's the thing I do. I don't overcomplicate shit. I just do what I feel and what I want, which has kind of worked for me in the past. So back I said 5 plates, a solid, which is still good. Wow, not terrible. Get these taut. If it was it. Oh, and the nose is clearing now. Time for triceps, which is just going to be some dips and extensions. Nothing fancy. Whoa. Oh, fabulous. Oh, shit. Smoked. Tricep dips. Oh, finally got some more plates. So, final exercise for the day, just tricep dips. How about with that knockout strength and all that bullshit? So, yeah, should be good.
或者等我另外一件衣服照看质量怎么样？有没有可以讲一下？这个是最满。抱歉。
Fuck, that was heavy first set. So quick summary, bench went really well, exceeded expectation, incline exceeded expectation with 6 plates, attempted 6.5 actually, but it didn't go up as, way too fatigued. Maybe if I had it fresh then we could, but 6.5 too much today, but overall good day. Shoulder press with 3 plates on the Smith, exceeded expectations as well. The rep range was acceptable, but not extraordinary. And then, the 2 tricep exercises. Then did mobility work for the lower back, and then off to do cardio now. Recorded this before cardio, because otherwise after cardio, I'm going to be cooked to the bones. So YouTube, I hope you enjoyed the video, this new style of video that I'm doing. I'm going to be doing it a lot more often, because we need to kill the content game. It's all good doing the reels and shorts and all that fun bullshit, but we got to do the longer style videos too. So like, subscribe, comment, every little bit helps, because to get strong we need to invest time and money into this shit, and it ain't cheap. So support your strongest dwarf friend.